tricky domino right here. There we go. Okay, so we start right here. It goes over, then a train from the game of this.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, in the whole box, we have 136 dominoes. And then here's all the dominoes we got left.
Okay.
So, yeah, and then we keep going on. We have this. This domino pushes that domino, goes on. We have a train right here. And then it goes on. And then we have a hill, and then there's the trains right there. And then there's two dominoes stacked up. A domino right there. This domino is going to push these two dominoes to push this domino. And then we have this train. And then we go on. We have the red dominoes. But we have this domino and this domino. When these two dominoes fall down, this domino is going to still stay standing. I don't know if that will work.
Okay.
And then we go on, and then we have sideways dominoes, and then zigzag, and then we have this domino pushing this domino to push this domino.
All right.
Wait, I have to put this right here.
Okay. You ready?
Yep.
All right. Let's see what happens. Give it a good push. Ooh, it almost all the way, buddy. Those sideways ones are a little tricky, aren't they?
Yeah.
Good job.